Hello everyone, welcome to the tutorial lesson of EXModel Pro. So now we're gonna show you guys around the mirror pattern. So as you can see, I have created this CAD file, but at this top side, this cylinder here, I need to get a copy. So let me turn on the coordinate system first. You can see this is already aligned. You can see the center is matching to the inner circle center. So the quickest way to make a copy of this watch hand is using the pattern above and click the mirror, or you can select the construction and do the mirror part, which is also available. But personally, I like to do the pattern mirror here, and automatically it will give us a default selection of this coordinates axis like OYZ. We can also manually switch to other plane we wanted since the EXModel is already very small enough, so mostly of the time it will read our mind to determine whether this need to be copied or not. Turn it off. Alright, so this is very convenient, and once we think this result is satisfied, then we can click OK to make it happen. So you see, we got a copy. So this is for part copy. So how about the whole project copy? And let me open another data for you. You see, this is one side of this metal holder, and I can just one click at this card here, and we can use the minor pattern. And we need to align the data first, as usual. But this time, I think this OYZ is not very ideal. It's not the result we want because we need to make it match crossover something. So we can also turn on the axis. You can see we already aligned the data. So we can switch the axes we want. So this OXY axis is exactly the result we need to keep. So you can see it's basically the 4x holder. So we click OK, make it happen. So it's kind of saving us a lot of time during the modeling, especially in reverse engineering. Right, okay. So I hope this single function can help you guys a lot in the real time working. Thank you.